Hello students, our today's topic is genome, viral, prokaryote and eukaryote. First of all, we will learn about chromosomes. What are chromosomes? Chromosomes. What are chromosomes? You all know कि nucleic acid, two types of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA, or more specifically DNA is the hereditary material in almost all living beings except some plant viruses. In simple prokaryotic cell, it forms a single chromosomes and lies in the cell cytoplasm, as you know. But in eukaryotic cells, DNA is contained in chromosomes, which remain isolated from the cell cytoplasm and are enclosed in a nucleus. So basically, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells have difference of having chromosomes and DNA in the contained in chromosomes and isolated from cell cytoplasm and enclosed in a nucleus. The chromosomes are capable of self-reproduction and maintaining morphological and physiological protective properties through successive generations, and thus capable of transmitting the contained hereditary material to the next generation. Hence, these are popularly known as hereditary vehicles. अब हम हिस्ट्री देखें अगर, कार्ल नैगेली 1842 में उसने ऑब्जर्व किया क्रोमोसोम को रोड शेप्ड बॉडीज प्लांट सेल में। हॉफमिस्टर ने 1848 में क्रोमोसोम को डार्कली स्टेन्ड बॉडीज इन द पोलन मदर सेल ऑफ ट्रेडेस्केंशिया। वाल्डेयर ने 1888 में कॉइन द टर्म क्रोमोसोम। क्रोमो मतलब कलर, सोमा मतलब बॉडी, to designate their great affinity to basic dyes. Affinity to basic dyes. Walter S. 1902 and Sutton proposed theory of chromosomal basis of heredity. Now viral chromosomes. What are viral chromosomes? You know viruses and bacteriophages have a single molecule of DNA or RNA represent the viral chromosomes. It may be single-stranded or double-stranded. Viral chromosomes containing DNA. These are 20 angstrom wide viral chromosomes corresponding to the width of DNA molecule. These may occur in two forms. Means what are chromosomes? कहने का मतलब क्या है कि डीएनए जो हेरिडिटरी मटेरियल है वो न्यूक्लियस में या वायरसेस में सब में क्रोमोसोम की फॉर्म में है। क्रोमोसोम मतलब बेसिक डाइसिन की एफिनिटी है, मतलब इनमें क्या है कि प्रोटीन की जो एक कोर है उसके ऊपर ये जो डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल है वो लिपटा हुआ है, तो प्रोटीन से अटैच्ड है। Linear chromosomes. In most plant viruses and bacteriophages, the chromosome is represented by a single linear duplex DNA molecule, except for 5x174 bacteriophage, where it is circular and single-stranded. It has cohesive ends. The linear DNA shows following characteristics: structural feature indicating that these are originally formed as circles or that they change into circles before replication. Cohesive ends. The 5 ends of the duplex DNAs project as a single strand beyond 3 ends of the antiparallel strand. The single strand are formed of about 12 nucleotides and it's complementary to and pair with 3 end forming circles. Terminal repetitions. The 3 end of DNAs bears a base sequence that is repeated at the 5 end of the strand. When such sequence is acted upon by a nuclease, they lead to the formation of complementary cohesive ends leading to covalent circles. Circular permutations. The viral DNA contain a population of molecules whose sequences are circular permutations of each other. These circular permutated linear DNAs form identical circular molecules whenever complementary cohesive ends are exposed by the action of exonucleases. Circular permutation in chromosomes of viruses shown in figure. Modified nitrogenous bases. Some of the nitrogenous bases of viral DNA are modified. For example, in T-even phagase, hydroxymethyl cytosine occur in place of cytosine, and hydroxyl group of hydroxymethyl cytosine is often glucosylated. These modifications protect viral DNA from degeneration by host endonucleases. Circular chromosomes. In some viruses and bacteriophages, the DNA is single-stranded and circular. It has a contour length of 1.77 micrometer, molecular weight 1.7 megadaltons, and nucleotides 5375 that forms 9 genes. Certain genes overlap. Viral chromosomes containing RNA. The RNA containing viral chromosomes are often linear and composed of a single-stranded RNA molecule. RNA viral chromosomes occur in plant viruses and some animal viruses. Supercoiling of viral chromosomes. The circular duplex DNAs, when isolated from viruses, bacteria, and mitochondria, are often supercoiled or supertwisted. This is caused when the number of base pair per unit length is more than normal. This produces torsional stress and as a consequence the circular twisting of DNA molecule. Bacterial DNA. Prokaryotic genome. As you know, bacteria is the example of prokaryote. Bacterial DNA. In bacteria and blue-green algae, the hereditary material is organized into a single large circular chromosome composed of circular molecule of double-stranded DNA. It is known as bacterial chromosome or nucleoid. It lies free in the cytoplasm in the nuclear zone and has no protein around the DNA molecule, as is found in the eukaryotic chromosomes. Some RNA is found associated with it and forms backbone or core. DNA molecule is supercoiled. Nucleoid proteins and RNA stabilize the supercoiled structure. The circular chromosome of Escherichia coli has a contour length of about 1360 micrometer and is about 20 angstroms broad. Its molecular weight is about 2.8 into 10 raised to power 9. It has about 50 or more highly twisted or supercoiled loops and about 4 million nucleotide pairs. In addition to the single large circular chromosome, each bacterial cell contains from 1 to 20 much smaller circular DNA molecules which are called plasmids. The plasmids resemble viral DNA in size, ranging from 5 to 100 megadaltons. These replicates in fixed number along with the chromosome. Their function is not clearly known. Some of these become incorporated into bacterial chromosome and are called episomes. These are sometimes transferred from one bacterial cell to another during conjugation and give them new characteristics. Mitochondrial chromosome of eukaryotic cells contain double-stranded and circular DNA with a molecular weight of about 10 million. It makes up less than 1% of total circular DNA. A small fraction of DNA occurs in the form of interlocked circles called catenated dimers. These are presumably formed during duplication of mitochondrial DNA.